Her phone and she goes, sit, good girl.
Want to feed him another one?
Say yummy. Say eat, Hendrix. Say good boy. Say good boy.
You say good boy, Hendrix?
Say good girl, Hendrix. Say eat. Bite.
Say good boy.
Say good girl.
Yummy.
Oh, we got some instant classics right now.
Say bite.
Yay!
Good girl.
Look at the way he's sitting.
Good job, Jalen. Want to feed him one more? I think he's still hungry. He said he's still hungry.
He's still hungry. Give him some more.
He says, "Where's my food?"
Yummy. I think he needs some water too. Can you give him
Here,
some
go give Hendrix some water.
Pick up some water and give it to him.
Here, ready, Dalen? Hold this. Hold that. Ready? I'm gonna put it under the faucet. Ready? Can you fill it up?
Hold it straight up.
Hold it straight. You gotta hold it straight.
Straight. Careful.
Now go feed it to Hendrix.
Careful. Give it to him. Can you pour it on in his mouth?
Pour it in his mouth.
Put it in his mouth, Dylan.
It's a good girl.
What?
Dalen, did he like it?